Rue, no. Hey, got you. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do. What is wrong with you, cat? Hey. Hello? I think its leg is broken. Wait, it feels like frozen. Is it dead? Shoot, guys. I'll be right back. I don't think it's dead. I think it's frozen. The air here is like terrible. It's cold. No, Rue. Down. I'm gonna try to film this as much as possible. Okay. This bird in my hand is so tiny. Okay, I gotta warm it up somehow. Oh shoot. Hey little thing. Its eyes are barely open. Hey little guy. Stop. Get out of the way. I don't know what to do. What do I do with this bird, guys? It's alive. I can hear it tear. I'll be right back, guys. Just